Hi guys, Fernando from Fixopedia, and today I've got a video that's going to show you how to, if you need to, change the password of Apple account for MacBook Pro. So if you don't know one of your user passwords, that's admin, there's a way to change it. So let's check it out. First, you're going to have to shut down the computer. Then you're gonna boot it up into the terminal, and to do that you're gonna have to press the command key, or this one on this computer is broken, so I'm gonna press this one and the letter S. So press these two keys at the same time, you turn it on. Just wait a little bit. Okay, so it's gonna open sort of a command prompt. Okay, so let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see. I'll leave everything that I write into the description, so in the bottom of the video you can just click and check it out. So the first thing you're gonna write is mount space dash UW / and enter. Okay, next thing, RM space / VAR / DB / dot Apple setup done. Then enter again. And shut down space dash H space now. Enter. And it's gonna shut down. So very briefly, what happens is the next time you're gonna turn on the computer, it's gonna show you the welcome screen as if you just finished reinstalling the operating system. So you're gonna be able to create a new user with administrator properties. So then you can go into your accounts and change the other users that you have, the other accounts, and change the passwords for those accounts. So you'll lose the keychain, that's the only thing, but you can access the data again, just in case you don't have access to your account or you forgot your password. So let's see. Okay, so here's a welcome screen. I'm just gonna do next. I'm gonna reset this computer anyway. This is just to show you how to do it. Okay, US, continue. Don't transfer my information. Don't sign in. I just want to do this as fast as I can. Skip. Okay, agree. Enter full name. I'm gonna put admin2 because I've already created one, so admin2 PC. Password, I'm gonna just put 12345. Again, 12345. Hint, just a dot. Continue. I don't want to send any information. Continue. So now it's setting it up. By the way, this operating system is for the OS, the Mac OS Yosemite 10.10.5. So now we've got a new user created here. We're gonna go to, if I'm not mistaken, okay, yeah, to the little Apple logo, to System Preferences. We're gonna open up Users and Groups. Now we've got a few users that are unselected, that are sort of you can't press on anything, so you're gonna have to press on this little lock at the bottom. You're gonna click it. It's gonna ask you for the password, which is the one I just put in, 12345. Enter, and now you can change whatever you want. So I've got one here that I haven't changed yet. So let me just cancel this. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna do reset password. New password. I'm gonna put the same one, 12345. Just to show you, 12345. Hint. Put anything in. Change password. So I've changed the password for this one, which I didn't have control of. Well, and just to show you, I'll log out and log into the other one. So this is the one, 12345, enter. Now he's going to ask you, do you want to continue to log in, create a new keychain, update keychain? I think you can continue to log in or just create a new keychain, because you don't know the password for the other one, so you won't be able to update it. So, logged in, just like that. Hope this video helped. If it did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share if you think this video is going to help. And if you want to help out the channel without costing anything to you, if you need to buy something on Amazon, click on the link below. That will help a lot. So thanks and bye-bye. See you in the next one.